Hi guys, in the Gambia, as you're probably aware with all the posts I've been putting up, but I've just acquired some natural materials. I'm doing hand drill. I don't know what the wood is, so unfortunately I can't say, but I just knocked out a little quick hand drill ember. I thought I'd have another go, do it again, and hopefully this time get it on film. I've also put some coconut husk underneath the baseboard, just see whether that'll catch the ember and just make it last a bit longer. So we'll give it a go, see how it goes. So I'll move the camera down so you can see what's going on, and hopefully you should have a good shot there. And let's see if we can do this again. As you can see, the wood is really thin because it was just a single stem that I harvested, and cut the drill and the hearth board from the same piece of wood. I suspect this is going to go straight through rather than me getting an ember, but we'll give it a go. I'll take it gently, just warm it up a bit. So I'm getting a little bit of powder, no smokers yet. A bit quicker, give a little bit more downward pressure, so I'm starting to get smoke. I'm just worried this is going to drill straight through the baseboard before I get a chance to get an ember. Getting good smoke now. A couple more should do. I think we're there. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Just did it before it went through the baseboard. That was good. And a lovely little ember. So as I say, unfortunately I don't know what the wood is. We were just out walking and I gathered it, saw it, thought I'd give it a go. I will try and find out what it is. I do have a picture of the similar wood that I harvested it from. So I'm going to pick this up, get a bit of air into it. A bit warm. So let's see if we can put some air into this. Obviously I'm just on my apartment balcony, so I don't want to blow it to flames. But nice little ember there. So thanks for watching the video, guys. It's a bit better. Thanks for watching the video, and hope to see you again next time. Cheers, take care.